Kala ka ba mais?
Don't you have to turn it? Mommy, don't you have to turn it?
Yeah, you have to turn it so that after
You have to eat it.
But you're not turning yours.
Are you done, Mariel?
Oh, no! Just like that.
No, I mean done.
Too close, I'll do it burn. Burn.
See, it's melting on the other side. Uy, Ruwe, yung kay Mikey, ang dumi. Hindi naman niya kainin niya.
Markia, why you put 2 marshmallows?
Mikey.
Just one.
My Mike.
Mom squished it.
Sipon, no?
Oh, it's so cute.
Tignan mo yung isa na yan.
Wait, Mariel, yours is small.
Uy, sipon. Pati siyo.
Oh no, no, big.
It's started melting, yeah.
Mine is not moving at all. Mine is not changing at all.
Which one?
Yeah, because you're not doing it long enough.
Malamig na.
Malamig.
Mikey!
Mikey, be careful.
Oh, Mom.
Wow, you burn it, Jurel.
Mom, it was like brown and now it's gone.
Not too close.
Just
man.
blow it!
You cannot eat that. That's dark. Lagay mo na sa apoy, Timalo.
Oh. Bro.
Just like yesterday.
Jarrell, you did something. You said if mine isn't doing anything.
Melts.
How did it happen instantly?
Melting na. Yung sa'yo, Timalo, masusunan na.
Oh no, that's good.
Do you want my web? How would you
Hindi pa masusunod. Kanina.
Give it to me.
Parang ang hirap.
Mikey!
Ang laki-laki naman kasi ng marshmallow eh.
Oh no, Daddy! Mom!
I'm gonna watch it. Okay.
Who's watching me?
Si Marikel, oh. Tingnan mo. Look at your face. Marshmallow on your cheek.
marshmallow? There's a marshmallow. So it's melted. Where is it? It's right there on the floor.
Yeah. Oh, it's melting.
Oh, lagyan mo to.
Yeah. Oh, you wanna bite?
Ubus na yung ano, oh. Wala pa yung mais.
Ano nga mais?
Ayan, kuya, oh. Ayun, oh, sa iyo, oh.
Oh. Sino to?
Kay Jurel.
Kasi mais.
Ayan, kuya, oh.
I'm not
Good
doing
job,
it.
bro.
Lahat mo iiyaw. Asam,
Ang laki nung...
Ito, nasa kumulang yung mais. Ano to eh? Steak to eh. Kasi mais.
Oh, the tissue. Your hand is dirty.
asan na yung mais, Rui? May hotdog pa pala, oh. Ang daming chocolate, oh.
Yung ano yan, binili nila dun eh. Hindi ah, yung dala ko. Ah, meron ka rin dala? Meron dala rin ako eh. $1 eh. Oh.
Ah, sa ilalim.
Ano yun?
Mom, is this how you do it? It's not changing.
Picturean mo, sabay picture.
Mom, why is that changing?
First is my friend.
I know, I can be patient, but it's not when it's not doing anything.
I waited longer than you.
Really?
One time.
Ang laki nung...
Oh,
Yeah, right.
Mai, look at daddy. Mai. Mikey.
Mom, it's not changing. Tell me, is it
Say
changing?
cheese.
Oh, you're getting closer again.
Look at me.
But it's not moving.
Mai.
It's not changing. It's not melting.
Marcus,
But
that's why
you
you
have to wait.
Wait. Be patient.
But you
That's
never,
what I told him.
but you guys never really want to eat at home.
Are you gonna post this on Facebook?
You're not there?
Hopefully.
Not too close to the water, ah.
Hopefully not.
Oh, look at me. Both of you.
No!
Aljur,
Okay, guess that's somewhere else.
why are you looking up?
Mine is not changing at all, Mom.
Okay.
Oh, it's brown now, see? It's brown now.
Oh, mother in son.
Jurel!
Jurel. Yan.
Max, nagka-camera na ngayon Tito Art.
Cameraman!
Yeah, mine is finally brown, but it's not
Yeah.
changing on the other side.
Not
This
too
side is
close,
still not changing.
Jurel. Not too close.
Gonna
It's
brown
not
again.
close.
It's brown
Ano,
now.
ganyan brown in front. Oops!
Oo.
Mine
Uy, yung usok na pupunta sa
kanya.